This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I've got a second generation Nissan Juke headlight retrofit for you. Yes! I love this stuff. Alright, so second generation, meaning a 2015 to 2017 Nissan Juke. It has a halogen projector from the factory. Very lackluster, often been requested. I have done one previous build before, but that one had a whole bunch of glitz and glamour on this one. This one is purely a lighting performance. Homeboy requested just to be able to see at night and to see very well. So that is exactly what I have delivered. We have done the 2.5-inch Morimoto 4 TLL projector retrofit into this assembly with the ByThirteen lens etching. Also the Morimoto 2-stroke LED bulbs down for the high beam there. The high beam solenoid for the ByXenon assemblies up yonder have already been wired in, so he doesn't need to wire anything additional, so he's going to have quad high beam, meaning that both the HIDs will be high beam as well as the LEDs down there as high beam as well. So super massive amount of high beam output. We're running the 6500 Kelvin bulbs off 50 watt Morimoto ballast, so we're going to have a nice pure white output. Again, gobs and gobs of power. And let me fire one of these bad boys up for you, okay? Alright, cool, so they're on now, and you can see that it is, whoa, it's bright. That's the idea. Now the 4 TLR is a beautiful projector, as you can see that output right there. You got a nice, crisp, clean cutoff. We like it a lot. What's great about these is no matter what, on the backside, totally simple and clean. This is basically going to be a plug-and-play application. On the other side, I have already soldered on a connector for the input to the HD relay harness so that these will be isolated from the OEM wiring system. Everything basically is going to be plug and play for this client. If you're interested in a retrofit for your second generation Juke, give me a call or shoot me an email. No worries. Pricing and product information will be in the video description for this. However, I also must dictate that do not expect a response in December, as it is Client Appreciation Month. And this is a previous client who requested this build about 3 weeks ago, and I just got in all the parts yesterday and knocked it out today. So super happy about that, and super happy with the results of this work as well. These things look great, but more than that is they look pretty much just like factory, but they perform phenomenally. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. Again, have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See ya.